Look at this, man. That's the conch and the fritters.
And the fritters.
Look at this, man. Look at this. The fritters are very crunchy on the outside. Oh, the shark is on it. He's on it. All right, y'all. We just checked in. We here at the ship in West Palm Beach, the Margaritaville. What's going on, family? It's your man, Matt DV. We are leaving the ship, and it's raining out here in Freeport, Bahamas. But we ain't gonna let no rain stop the show. We gonna go out here and see what it do. All right, y'all, so this is what I did. I caught this bus here, right, from where the ship was. It was like a 15-minute ride, man. It's $14 per person each way. Somebody was told $7. So you know, man, these cats trying to make a little money. We out here, man. We at the marketplace. I heard I can get some conch salad out here. We gonna check it out. They still got the guy that sells the conch salad out here?
Yeah,
down by the water, right?
By the water. Let's go to the back.
Yeah.
You'll see him there, Daddy Brown.
Daddy Brown. We going to see Daddy Brown and get some conch. He said it's fresh every day.
Every day. Yeah.
You not Daddy Brown, are you? No, I'm just. That's my beautiful sister. This is it, y'all. We walking up, right? This is the world's famous Daddy Browns. How you doing, sir? This is the world's famous Daddy Browns right here. When y'all come to Freeport, y'all better catch a cab.
Got some conch.
Yes. It smells. I can smell you've been frying something.
You got it, Daddy.
Look, oh, that ain't bad too. Fried fish and fritters. Fried conch. We going for the conch fritters, y'all.
All right.
I'm gonna get the fry.
We also got a special up right now.
Oh, we got the special. Got the special, y'all. Hold on.
Big girl special.
Where's it? Big girl special? Ooh, $25. That's for the big girls?
You got it, Daddy.
Ho! That's what's up, man. I'm gonna get the
All right.
I'm gonna get the fried conch fritters, y'all.
And
Y'all.
hold on now, don't stop yet.
Hold on, don't stop. Look.
Here.
Look, y'all, he got the conch.
This is the one that makes you wants to do everything straight.
Oh, straight and strong?
Straight and strong.
Oh.
You know, sometimes January, February,
Yes.
you want to turn corners. That stuff don't want to get straight.
Yes. Yo, I know what you mean.
Well, this one right here, keep it straight.
Oh. What's in there?
This is the conch salad.
Okay.
We put onions, we put bell peppers, we put tomatoes, we put limes, we put a little orange.
Ooh.
And this the one here that makes the lady wants to get herself jiggy.
Oh, jiggy. I like the jiggy. Look. So look, I'm sold on that one already, y'all.
You got it, Daddy.
I'm sold. And I know this cat, yo, he goes out. Look, this stuff is fresh. It's fresh on a daily. So I'm gonna still get the fried conch fritters, and I'm gonna get the conch salad right there, and that's gonna be what's happening. Yeah. You say cash and card?
Cash.
Cash only, y'all. Just let her know it's cash only. I went to the ATM. I'm ready. How much is that total? I should get a drink.
22.
Look, $22, y'all. Y'all better come out here. That's not bad. Look at this, y'all. Can I pick that up?
Yeah, man.
Look at this, y'all. Look at this right here. Y'all thought this was a game. Look at this. This is the real deal.
Real deal.
This is the real deal. This is not no imitation stuff. You know, he's not selling like the imitation crab meat for conch.
No,
this is
hell to the no.
hell to the no. What's that pineapple in there?
Yes.
Oh,
We got a special one, yes, special.
this right here, y'all. That's all.
24 will be for you.
Okay. That's $24 total, y'all. We got the conch and the fritters.
And the fritters.
Y'all thought this was a game?
Tell him it's no game.
Hey, he's back here getting it. Oh, look, he's dropping it in there. Wow. That's right. All right, y'all. So we're here, man, and the rain is not stopping no show.
It's not raining. It's just overcast, a little cloudy, but it's no rain.
We're gonna check this out. Check it out. Look at this, man. That's the conch and the fritters.
And
What?
the fritters. We get both today.
And the fritters. Thank you very much.
All right, thank you.
We're going to sit down and eat now, y'all.
We're gonna have a good day and a good night.
A good day and a good night.
You got to find somebody because you're gonna be one hot man running around that ship tonight.
All right, y'all. This is where I'm like camped out right here. Right, that's where they see that little umbrella. That's where the boats pull in, and they got the conch. They clean it and everything right there and pull it out, man. I wish I could show you guys. Right, I got the conch salad right there. I got my soda way over there. I hope this don't. I gotta set up somewhere else, y'all. This is really looking dangerous here. I'm gonna set this on here. It's gonna be kind of thin and the wind is blowing, but we're gonna do this. Let's look in here once again, y'all. Look at this. OMG. Look at it. Got the conch and the fritters. Back. Birds trying to sneak up on me. They ain't getting none. That's the conch and the fritters. There they go right there. The birds are over here bugging. Right? They're not getting none of my food, right? First I'm gonna go right into the conch, right? Right here. Dip it in that sauce. So tender and crispy all at the same time. Wow. I wish y'all can see the birds trying to bust a move. Get away, get away. I had to shoot the birds, man. Oh, this is so good. The conch fritters, man. They have that nice ocean fresh taste, man. Now it's still tender, right? But you taste that like that gummy taste. Uh-oh, I almost dropped the fritter. Them birds would have been on it. It'd have been like cuckoo, cuckoo. You heard them? There's a pigeon down here by my foot. I feel like Matt DV Wild Kingdom. The fritters are very crunchy on the outside. And you can even taste the conch in here, man. He hooked us up. If you ever down here, you better check this cat out. Daddy Brown's Conch. This your man Matt DV. Daddy Brown's Conch right there. Thanks for liking and subscribing. This your man Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you hanging with the wrong people. Signing off. Wait a minute. I didn't try to sell it. Let's still sign off. And then those that like stick around more than like 3 minutes on my videos, for those that stick around more than 3 minutes, we'll try to conch salad. But look how fresh this looks. See that? Every time I stick my hand out, a bird flies over. It almost tastes a little like oyster too, like fried oyster. You ever fry oyster and get that juice that comes out? Look how big this piece is. Look at that. That piece is really tender. And then it's like this like chewy part of it, really small chewy part. Oh, that might be that thick piece that holds onto the shell when you be trying to pull that conch out of there. You be trying to rip it out. This is the best, most pleasant meal I've had in months, in a long time. I can't remember the one. Wow, wind's blowing, man. Let me see, the wind's coming this way. So the water's over here, y'all. My phone will fall this way. I'm a sailor, I know about the wind blowing, but if my phone fell in the water, I would be going in the drink to get my phone. Why didn't y'all tell me I got food on my shirt? There's only one bird left. Evidently, the other birds are smart and like, yo, he's not giving us none of that food. And look at his face. It looks like it's so delicious. I know I got the conch salad here, but these fritters are the ziggity bomb. I'm gonna eat one more. Of the fritters. Well, I want to know what he puts in here. He told us what he put in the salad, but I saw him dipping the conch in like this floury stuff. Look, I need to get another video of this. I need to get one for Instagram because everybody and their mother, I got to tell them. Y'all got to know. I got to tell everybody. Y'all got to know. You got to know. Got to know. Got to know. Got to know. These are more like hush puppies with the conch in them. Let's put this on the side, y'all. Hold up. Wait a minute. We're going to go for the conch salad. I have a fork here. Can't use my Carolina forks for this one. It looks like ceviche, right? The water's crystal clear. I'm going to show y'all some water in a minute. Oh, my goodness. I would dive in there. You know, might be sharks out here, too. Shark come at you, yo, steer it down. Don't be trying to run. You can't outrun a shark. Look at this, man. Look at this. Look at that right there. I'm pausing, right? Oh, I'm dripping juice. Hold on, let me taste the juice. I didn't know the juice. Oh, that juice should be dipping sauce for some like chicken and all that stuff. Here it is, man. See that hard? Remember I said it was a gummy piece? That looks like a hard piece of conch. It was. Oh, I taste some peppers too. Bell peppers, tomatoes. He said this is gonna make me good and strong. The salad is delicious too, y'all. I taste the sweetness from that mango too. Wow. This is good. Taste that little tanginess too. That little citrusy tangy. He got the conch all chopped up small, but not that small. See? Look at this. Oh, that's two pieces. Two pieces of conch right there. See that? FYI, this is raw conch in here. And it tastes good. The fried is very delicious. The conch salad is very good. My bus driver is online at the conch place. That's how you know he's a native. I'm going back over there, man. Gotta go over there, guys. Let's stop this video and go over there and check it out. Look, y'all. Look at the line over there. Right. I'm glad I beat the rush, y'all. Y'all thought I was joking. Y'all thought this was a game. Daddy Brown's ain't no joke. Look, they even opened up the area over there, the seating area. Everyone's eating conch fritters, conch salad, crack conch. He said making that money for it.